Hello, beautiful people. Okay, what if I told you that you can make this food with just 6,000 naira? Yes, you heard me right, just 6,000 naira. Now come with me, let's start. First of all, I got my protein. Now you can decide to use any protein of your choice. As for me, I decided to use beef. I have to wash it. After washing it, I cut it into tiny pieces. For every spoon must have a beef inside. I decided to put up my spices. I washed my veggies and I decided to chop them into different sizes of your choice. For me, I love my bell pepper to be chopped in cubes. I chopped my onions, I chopped my pepper, my tomato, my green pea, and every other thing. And this is how it looks like. The next thing, I put my pot on fire, add a little grain of oil, and then a sprinkle of onions and a little salt inside. And then I put my meat, my beef inside, and then I stirred it. And then I go in with my soy sauce. And after my soy sauce, I went in with my sesame oil. Yes, I need the flavor, I need the taste, I need every bit of my meat to come out flavorful and tasteful. And then I stirred my pot. After stirring my pot, I covered it and allowed it to cook on a low heat. And the next thing, I went on to prepare my egg. I need to add my scrambled egg inside this rice to elevate the protein in my food. So I broke my egg and then I beat it until it was well mixed. That is the yolk and the white part of it. And the next thing, I fried it, that is scrambled egg. So we are going back to the already made meat that was on fire. At this point, my brother could not resist the aroma, so I went in with my veggies. So I stirred my pot. While stirring the pot, I went in with my scrambled egg. I added my scrambled egg into my already prepared veggies while on low heat, and I stirred it together, mixing every part of it together. Now while I mixed it, I went to prepare my rice. I washed my rice and parboiled it for 80% done. Now I went back to my sauce that's already on fire. I added new veggies. Now quick one, guys, how do you people eat without onions? Because me, in every meal, in every delicacy that I eat, there must be veggies. I mean enough veggies. So while I added my new veggies, I stirred it to meat and I just allowed it to be on fire for just few seconds. I now introduced my parboiled rice. Remember, I parboiled it to be 80% done. While adding my rice, I stirred it in batches. Now I did not just add a whole amount at once. I added it in batches and I stirred it until it was mixed to perfection. And while it was done to perfection, I allowed it sit on fire for a few minutes, and that's how I prepare my low budget rice of 6,000 naira. So guys, are you going to try this rice? If yes, let me hear it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.